Okay, so this is a toy state. What I have seen in videos, I think it's called Freedom Force fighter jet. Yeah, this is the most biggest toy state toy that I have. It's like this size of it's like the size of my whole hand. Yo, look at that. It's really amazing. Okay, so it got three AA batteries. It got nine complete headlights. Yo, that's a lot, bro. Including this one over here. That's one and that's two. You got one, two, three, four, five, six buttons. Now this thing's kind of broken because um, this thing was not working. This one is like free. It's got more. It's motorized though. This thing only this thing moves. This one not. The gears inside this, they were like broken. So that's why it just one is why that's why this one can spin. This one not. This one has a little thing that joins the motor. The motor is really big. Okay, I got like a little thing over there that have two gears. There's one gear over here. There's one gear over here. This gear over here is like over here, and this one's over here, joined to the motor. So only this one will move. This one not. I take it apart, and that was the problem I see. And I have this for years though. One of the wheels are broken, and includes some like connectors and stuff, and some like um things over here, and include like a little plate over here. There's like covering this thing, moves up and down. Yeah. Look at the lights.
Fire in the hole! Mission Control! Are we cleared for takeoff? This is Mission Control. Foxtrot 19 is cleared for takeoff. Speed ahead! We're reaching top speed! Watch your right flank! We're under attack! Commence firing! We need air support now! Air support! Target acquired! Fire!
I'm going to show you some secret keys.